Hello guys.
So this video is about the Falcon FX strategy. Does it work or not, right? So that's the question. Yes, it does work. So let me remove this one. So I'm going to break down lots of trades that I've took in the last months, in the last few months, so that you guys understand the strategy well enough, so that you can like get some knowledge, some nuggets from my video. And before that, if you guys don't have the Falcon contents, I got all the things that you need, right? I got the mechanics, the 4 hour, the reward, the refinement, the past webinars. And before that, and if you guys need those things, all you have to do is message me here on Telegram, and you have to pay a little, like little fee, small fee, to get all of those things, right? And I will be more than happy to guide you guys, right? So all right, let's break down this trade. First thing first, uh, this is a impulse reversal correction. Impulse, sorry. Let's move into the 4 hour time frame. Here is the main value point right here, and just look at the price, how it approaches to that value point here. One, two, three. All right, and then what we have to wait for is the confirmation candle, which is on the 4 hour, right? We are seeing on the 4 hour here, as we can see the confirmation candle. And we have to go to the 1 hour time frame here, as we can see the first structure. Well, the thing is, I can see this structure in the 1 hour, right? So for the rule basis, you have to stick with the 1 hour time frame. If you can see the structure in the time frame, stick to the time frame. Don't get greedy. uh, all right, just stick to the time frame, or you can take it as a 50% limit play, right? That's a good one, but I'm a bit more advanced, so you can go to the 50-minute time frame and just look at this structure. It is the first structure, right? So it has the minimum risks as compared to the this kind of trades, right? So that's well good enough, and it is a three test continuation structure. 15 minute, lovely. I took it right here, just to this rejection, set my stuff around here, and I got for around like 10%. Yeah, not exactly 10%, but I closed it like maybe around here. I have to be a bit more aggressive in this kind of situation. So uh, like we can get next trade something like this one. So I will be waiting for those kind of things to happen. Here is the footprint. So all I want is the price to come back to the upside as 1 2 3, and give us an insurance entry. Well, because why? Because we have this hook point to the upside also. So to reduce the risks, you have to use the insurance entry. That's why most of the trader in Falcon doesn't make it, because they always take, uh, they just always stick to the high risk trades. So and they took a lots of bad trades. That's how they can't be consistent enough to make profits from the market. So all you have to do is cut those bad losses, bad trades, and just focus on the low risk trade. That's all you need, guys. That's all you need. Moving to the next pair. This is, I was looking for short from this point. Let's look at the monthly time frame. Just look at this one. Impulse correction impulse. This is what I was looking for, right? But here is the main value point. But the thing is, the price didn't react it as the way I expected. Well, yes, it does for a bit of time, but it breaks to the upside impulsively, and that means the short shorting is invalidated and more interested in buying, right? So I just go to the 4 hour time frame, and as we can see, we broke this point and we left a footprint here. It is 4 hour time frame, right? So we got 4 hour mastery. So 4 hour is very lovely time frame, and it is like wonderful. Here as we can see, impulse correction impulse, right? So here is the footprint. Just look at the price, how the price approach to that footprint. Market level gap here, candle downside again, level gap here, fill up the gap and give us the rejection candle. That's how you need to see it. This is called the footprint model. It is one of the most profitable model in the Falcon. So I took it around here. That was a lovely trade. I closed it for around 3%, just like bang on 3%. I don't need more than that. So that's it. Quick. Uh, this is the model. You We have two-touch structure. We have three-touch structure, and my favorite way of taking trades is this one. Market left a footprint, and price came to the downside as 1, 2, 3. This one works really well. So next pair, we are at all-time high. So let's see, in the daily time frame we got this one, 2, 3, and also we got this completion of structure, impulse correction impulse, and then we got the rejection in the uh, daily time frame. So that is important, and we are trading at all-time high. Also we broke this point, so it's a confirmation, right? Which is good. So it is a bit squeezy type of trade, but it is good because it is at the start of the run here, because we broke this point and we are taking the first structure after breaking that point. Because the all you have to focus is the first structure and the second structure, and if you're looking to take a trade on the third structure, you have to be extremely careful because the risk level increases ex- like very much. So you have to use the insurance entry or the 4 hour as an entry. So it is a structure of that can be seen in the 15-minute only. So we have to stay with the 15-minute time frame. Here is the trade. It is still running right now. I hold it overnight. No, over weekend. So this can easily bank over 7%, 8%, even 10%. But yeah, I have to be. This can still come up to the upside, something like this, and goes on, right? So those are the things that I'm looking for. I'm I am right now in a break even of this trade because that makes more sense. So moving to the next trade, which is on the EU, and again it is also the 4 hour trade. So 4 hour are one of the best things that Mark give us as a like refinement type shit, right? Better than FD. So we got corrected from this point. Let's zoom in. And the bad thing about this trade is that we got corrected from this point, but also as we can see, the price fell to go to the upside for once, twice, thrice. So it means nothing to us because it doesn't have enough volume. It has fell 3 times, so it doesn't have enough volume. That means the sales are way more probable to happen than buys, right? So as we can see, a B-type structure of in a 4 hour time frame. This makes more sense. I, I took it like right here as a 4 hour limit order play, and I took it bang about 3%. That's it. Simple. And if you want to take, if let's suppose if you miss the trade, you can again take this trade as a insurance entry. This is a bit like not the best structure, but if you want it that bad enough, you can just set a like here. So that's not what I want, to be honest with you. But yeah, so the 4 hour are like, they just, they are hard to miss. All right, so 4 hour are one of the best things that I love about this strategy, the way that we trade. And also here, next is also the 4 hour trade. We go directly from this point, from this value point. After that, we go the impulsive move in the daily time frame. Moving to the 4 hour time frame, we can see the structure: impulse, correction, impulse. So it is a 4 hour structure. So you have to wait for the 4 hour rejection candle to take this trade. We got here. So bang on 3.5, 3.9%. That's it. Simple. So last fear for today, guys. Falcon works really good. This is not a trade. This is sort of like a forecast for me for the next week. We have a gap that needs to be filled up. There is also a gap that needs to be filled up. But just look at how the price is moving right now. Impulse, correction, impulse. Right, it is more likely to fill up this gap before moving to the upside to fill up this gap, right? And also we already got the confirmation on the 4 hour time frame, as you can see here. 1 2 3 structure, and we got here the impulse, correction, impulse. It is under development right now. And here is a 1 hour structure. So all I'm waiting for is right now something like this. That's all I want, man. So again, guys, if you guys don't have the Falcon contents, message me here, Telegram. Just hit me up. All you have to pay is a small fee, like that's barely nothing, right? Just look at the value that I have for you guys, man, and I will be more than happy to guide you. All right, so